Далее проверять лучше всего, как ты правильно натянул тросик. Проверим механически. Открывается. Отлично. Потом брелок ставишь. Вот. Все работает.
If you have a Sprinter, Transit, ProMaster, or similar van, you already know the struggle. Those heavy, clunky sliding doors aren't made for everyone. Children, seniors, the disabled, airport shuttles, motorhomes, and hotel vans, for all of them, manual doors cause trouble or simply don't work. Your options? Cheap and unreliable, overpriced and complex, or Ador, the perfect solution that just works. Operates effortlessly from the dashboard, the door handles, and the remote key fob. Built for safety, rolls back when obstructed, locks securely with the factory latch, manually opens after impact. 500 operations a day for the life of your vehicle. Zero maintenance. DIY, local shop, or certified Ador installer in just one day. Shipped worldwide. Ador. We open doors. Visit AdorUSA.com or contact us any way you see on screen.